Hi everyone, it's Stephanie Gagos here. Welcome back to my channel. For this video, I am doing a resin painting, a pink resin painting. And the last one I made was a big hit on Facebook and got a lot of attention. It was actually a gift for somebody. This one is going to be on sale and part of my birthday sale because tomorrow's my birthday. Yay! My birthday is August 9th, and in my private Facebook group called Stephanie Gagos' Art Studio, I am running a birthday sale, and I will have about 10 pieces available at a special price. I will also be giving away one geode, and I'm letting the giveaway winner choose which geode they want. I've created two for the occasion. So all you have to do is join me in my private group. I'll post the link down below, or you can do a search on Facebook for Stephanie Gagos' Art Studio. Good luck everyone, and you can actually see the making of one of the geodes in my previous video, which I posted yesterday. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any questions or whatever you would like to share with me. I am happy to get comments, and leave me a like and subscribe if you like my videos. Thanks so much for being here.